you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy.
Yeah, ladies, this is the final look. I'm not gonna talk y'all ears off. This is a Valentine's Day look. Simple, easy, using one palette, James Charles Morphe palette, and a couple brushes. I'm not a professional, but as you can see, I think it looks pretty fucking good, okay? But yeah, I guess like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Okay, so I'm starting off with that pinkity drinkity, and I'm basically just applying that as my base, close to my brow bone. Then I'm going in with the shop color, and I'm building that in my crease and upper eyelid area. Blending, blending, blending. And I'm going back in with the pinkity drinkity, blending out, making a smooth transition from the light pink to the darker pink.
It's so loud, that dick make my soul smile. That dick made me so damn proud. Now lay your head down on a pillow, turn the lights down real low. I want you to say my name. Close your eyes and let your feels go. Now you're getting real close, baby, I am on the way. Now that I've got you right here.
Alright, so the color I'm using now is Love That, and I'm basically packing that in my crease, getting it nice and built up.
Don't be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy. Now you feel like...
So I did cut my crease off camera. That shit is hella hard to do, but practice makes perfect. So I am taking the color Love That and just packing that from the outer corner and working my way in. Here I am taking the color Shop and blending it in with the color Love That, and just blending and blending and blending until you can't blend no more. Alright, so we're at our last step. I basically found a white shimmery color to pack on my eyelid. And guess what? I'm just gonna blend it out. Yes, blend. I've probably said that word 10 times. Blend, blend, blend. That's gonna be your best friend when you're doing eyeshadow, is blending. Blend it.
Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so proud. Ooh,
Yeah, bitch. I don't use nothing else for my lashes but this. Period. Period. Extra hold, baby, because I be sweating and turned up. So I need full fucking... I need it all. That other bullshit, this shit. No, this doesn't work. No. No. This one right here. The GOAT. The MVP. I don't wear like really a lot of makeup. I'm good with the shadow though. So like really I just be doing this because it looks cool. And it does kind of make a difference. No cap. Tease me. I think that may have been too much, but whatever. These are the lashes I'm gonna be putting on today. That's not the right number, they're number 8s. I'll try to get you guys a case or put down below what the actual lash brand is called, because everybody asks about these lashes all the time. I wear like every number from them because it's just bomb. And baby, what? It's not even down. I'm gonna try to do this as fast as possible because I don't like to let this bake too long, because then I'll be looking casket sharp and we don't need that. Usually when I do eyeshadow, I don't have to let it sit too long because like the eyeliner, I guess, makes it like adhere faster. So we'll see. Tweezers are the only thing I use to apply my lashes. Literally, I get the best placement and I get those corners to stick. Literally stick. So this is like a sexy Valentine's look, like lingerie mode. Too bad I ain't sexy. Too fucking awkward for that shit. Okay, don't try this at home. I am literally putting on my lashes with my left hand. I am right-handed. But baby, I've been wearing lashes for a long time and I am cold with the application. So you can't tell me I can't do nothing with this left hand, baby. I promise you. Your eyeshadow could be trash, bro. Throwing some badass lashes. Huh. You a fucking makeup artist. Oh God, you are. Do y'all see? Bitch. Wow. Barbie doll shit.
Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud. That dick make my soul smile. That dick make me so proud. Ooh,
Too much music at gofreshnow.com.
As you can see, that was the final look. I really do like how it turned out. But as you can see, I literally cannot stop touching my hair. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this quick little hair review, ladies. Hair. Yeah, let's get into the hair. I haven't worn the hair consecutively for too long. I've worn it maybe at the most, maybe 3 or 4 days in a row. I've had this hair for a while though. Only thing is I really like the hair. I like the hair. It keeps a curl for sure. This hair came straight out the box. Like literally, I didn't even wet it to put this on and do this video. I literally just put it on my freaking head. The baby hairs was already laid just because the last time I wore it. This is glueless. It's not even all the way down, just for the purpose of this video, just to give you guys a look. But yeah, this hair is really good. I like it. It's really thick. It's 150 density. Super thick. It's supposed to be 20, I think it's 26 or 24. It's a little short to me to be 26 or 24, but like I said, this hair is really curly. It is like a lot of shrinkage. So I'm sure if I flat ironed it or something, it'll be really long. But I'm not a fan of flat ironing curly hair. I think that's just stupid. What's the point of getting curly hair if you're gonna do that? But yeah, I like this hair. Con, it sheds a whole lot. Like a whole lot. Literally, once I style it, I try not to go back and run any fingers through it, and that's just also to keep the curls defined. But yeah, no, detangling this hair and trying to get it back right as far as after it's all matted up, a long drug night or anything like that, it's a mess, no cap. But I think that's any curly hair for the most part. It's a little excessive though. I'm not gonna say excessive, that's hard. It does shed, so expect shedding, but the hair is still full even after all of the shedding that I've gotten. One thing I disliked the most though was that the lace definitely sheds. So if you can, bare minimum plucking. Do not over pluck it. Don't try to get in there and make this like wig of the year. Do what you have to do to make it look nice, and then let it kind of gradually do its own thing. Because if I didn't know how to do my own hair, it would be a fucking mess, and I made it work. That's all I can say is I made it work. But yeah, the curls are really fire. All I use really is like conditioner, and I think I use a custard to lock in the curls, and I use a brush, a wig brush basically to define the curls, and that's really all you need. It's pretty easy. It doesn't get frizzy throughout the day as long as you're not doing this all day. That's probably me. I'm doing this all day. The hair does get kind of big. This is big a little bit to me. It could be a bit bigger, but I'm not a fan of big hair, so I try to keep it minimal, maintained, very just nice and, you know, defined and cute. But yeah, I'll put the hair details in the description box. I really appreciate you guys for coming to watch my video. I really hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them below and tell me what else you want to see. I'm going to try to give you guys another look, and we'll see how that goes, okay? Thank you for subscribing.